What's up, YouTube? Life of Don. Let's go to the junkyard and get some parts. Score one in the junkyard. Popped right off. Got real lucky. Both sides. Totally neglected to record it, but I have another non-ZR2 fender put on, installed. This one turned out a lot better. Only had to make up a few spots. Not bad. I have my upper control arm coming in tomorrow for this side. Just picked that up not too long ago. Love it. Yes, I do leave the door cracked. I'm not trying to die from poisoning, but lower ball joints, sway bar inlays, and pitman arm, drag link or something. I'm not going to install these two. Debating on the ball joints. But, oh yeah, I got all three of those tires mounted. Zeus tire here in town, awesome guy. He let me borrow his truck because I brought him over in my Camaro. Real nice of him. He didn't have to do that. I appreciate you, man. But also have the front bumper back on, grill, headlights. I'm gonna have the old lady help me put the hood back on because it's a two-man job. But let's go down here. So got the new upper control arm. Oh yeah, I did put tie rods in too, but I haven't really tried to put this in yet. I have a lot going on, Christmas being around the corner, but maybe in the next video I'll have this attached, so see what I can get done. All right, looking good. I'm gonna tighten it down the rest of the way when I get some pressure underneath it with the jack. I'm gonna work on these taillights next. Yeah, should have listened to my dad. Should have listened to my dad. These were a waste of time. But these are coming off. Put stock bulbs back in. Picked these up the junkyard. Spray painted them black. RTV these on. Gonna run RTV line, and just let it sit. Should hold up just like that. These taillights previously had these, but somebody already snatched it. There we go. I like the way it turned out. Getting the license plate light just zip tied. I need to get a rear bumper and tailgate. Just kind of waiting to find one for a decent price. Also, for some reason, this light just seems way dimmer than the other one. I don't know why. I mean, it still works. Also think my brake master cylinder blew a seal. It's pretty saturated. It's dripping all over the frame. So let's figure that one out. Started working on getting that ball joint at the bottom. Wanted to get the cotter pin out. It's literally fell apart. But kind of got to wait for the other control arm to be on so I can turn the steering wheel left and right. Because the other side's just going to flop around unless I had it tied down. So this is the other lower ball joint, front right. That's not good. So I switched sides. I can't believe I got that cotter pin out. And I wonder what size this nut's going to be. It's awful. I'm definitely got the PB blaster this. Oh, here goes nothing. Got it loose. Sweet. Need to return this one to Harbor Freight. It's got a few bad teeth in it. But I honestly think I can do this by hand. Yeah. That's awesome. Cool. So on the other side, I had to drill out the cotter pin since it wouldn't slide out. Usually this works for me. I'll try to crack this loose. If not, do a little more drilling. This is one heck of a pop, but I got it. All right. Got lucky I didn't have to keep drilling that. But get this upper control arm on, and I can turn this right, get my pickle fork up in here, break this loose, and it looks like it's just 4 bolts up here. There's one of them. So I'm gonna pick up from here tomorrow. Peace. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go with shorter videos for a little while just so I can pump out some more. So thanks again for watching.